Now, this man is a Fante man. I'm sure a lot of you know him. If you're in fact, where you from?
I'm from Saltford.
And Saltford. We get brands.
Yo,
hello. Yeah, I say, and I'm here to introduce to you #1, Ghana's #1 photographer. That's Spanish for worker. Now, it's kafa work from here na when you free because ultra pictures. In with this kafu events record Ghana. On our friend no ultra pictures a moment. In here for say, oh when I have in a pass some place. Now, I'm sure you know the person I'm talking about, Manuel Photography. Now, this man is a Fante man. I'm sure a lot of you know him. If you're in fact, where you from?
I'm from Saltford.
And Saltford. We get brands. We have the likes of Abepi Santana. You know, say James Gardner be Sopon.
Yeah.
We have BB Bright. Also a Sopon in. Rob Photography. Honestly, a Sopon. Parko to the rich. Masumi a Sopon.
Dope Nation, Sophie Sopon.
Dope Nation. Wait, a crowd of people won't steal them. With our friend God Junction. And so, guys, if you don't know, Shenayim. Manuel Photography.
Hello.
You be pure Fante boy.
Yeah.
No mommy a Fante. You Ozinaze.
Enyo.
Ofie Guabado.
Enyo.
The house will be the normal.
What's it? 1950 BBB. Oh, Enyinda short from maybe. Yeah.
So I say, yes, can you not put a picture from Manuel Photography? And here for no one friend.